Hey everyone, welcome back, and today we're going to review my doorbell collection. I have collected doorbells throughout the years, and these are all my wireless ones with the interchangeable volume and music tones into it. So today we're going to show you most of all of them, and we're going to go review how to pair and sense all the chimes in these doorbells. So right here is, I actually don't know all the brands, but this one I got, and this one over here I got as a Christmas gift 2 years ago. This one and this one, that one and that one I got slightly after. But there's a total of 7 receivers and 6 of the transmitters. So I did missing one because one of them did die on me. So that's the problem with that. So out of these receivers can control that one too. So we're gonna go ahead and review all of them to make this a short video and just review all the tones and stuff. We'll do that in a separate video. But for now, we're gonna go ahead and review this one right here, this tiny one, and we're gonna go ahead and plug it in. And as you can see, you notice this one has like 2 buttons. Each of these doorbells do have 2 buttons, with the exception of this one having 3. So we're gonna go ahead and plug it in. Excuse me. We're gonna go ahead and plug this one in, and as you can see, this one has lights. All of them do. All of them have lights to indicate that the doorbell is working. And for the hearing impaired, you can have this on mute. Actually, this one doesn't have a mute option, but some of them have mute options, which are able to mute the doorbell from ringing. So we're going to go ahead, first things first, with this doorbell has a different pairing system than some of the other doorbells have. We're going to go ahead and pair. So to pair it, you have to press these 2 buttons at the same time, simultaneously, and the light will turn on to indicate that it's in pairing mode. Press the button, the light will flash once, press it again to exit the pairing mode. I had to press it twice, but yeah, sometimes it does that, it glitches. But doorbell, press that exit to pairing mode, and then now it is fully paired with the system. Now, what if you want to reset this out of the box? Well, you have to hold the buttons down again with long pressing them for about 3 seconds, and the light will turn off. This indicates that you can press this button and nothing will happen, which means the doorbell has successfully reset. There are 4 volume levels to choose from on this doorbell. We'll review all of them now. So that's the lowest, and that's the loudest. That's actually the loudest. And we'll keep it on that one for now. So we're going to go ahead and review. We're not going to listen to them all, but we're going to review a few and not the full song of them. But there's 32 different chimes in this doorbell. As you can see, it has a lot of fun sounds in it. I like that one. Yeah, so those are 32 of the chimes on this one. There's 32 of them, so you can like choose between different sounds and different volume options to customize your doorbell needs. Now we're gonna go ahead, let me set the phone down real quick, and we're gonna go ahead and test out the other one. the second unit on our list, which is modeled by Sedote Tech. They are known for making a lot of these doorbell units. This is their most popular and friendly option. So to pair it, you can either press the volume button for about 5 seconds, or you can press these two buttons at the same time. That's what we'll do. You'll hear the pairing sound, press the button again, and it will reset to the first tone. Now, if you want to clear it, just hold the music control button down for a long amount of time, and it will make that sound. Press the button again, and nothing will happen. To repair it, do the same thing, and press it again, and then it will work like that. Here's all the musics. And those are all 52 chimes. There's 52 of them on this one, the Sedote Tech unit. Now, let me go ahead and grab the other unit, and we'll test that one out. Now, I have to use this one because the one I currently have right now doesn't have a battery in it, so we'll just use this one, and then we'll basically plug it in like that, and press the button. So it's got 4 volume levels as well. Now it has a mute option. You can press the music control to select different tones. And those are all 36 on that one. Alright, let's go ahead and grab the one with the most chimes. It's got 60 different sounds. Let's plug it in. that's all 6 goes out. And then I'm gonna go ahead and plug this one in. See how this one sounds. Well, this one sounds.
Hello?
That's the 32 chimes on that one. And then we have the Boeing one. This one has several different 38 chimes. That's that one, and then we have the final one right here.
Assalamualaikum.
Well, that's all the chimes, everybody, on all my doorbells. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please smash the like button and subscribe, and enjoy more content coming soon. Take care. Bye.